Jazz from Justy Slime. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm super excited to show you this video. I've got a bunch of pink and blue things to mix into slime, and I've put all of them into some really cute Hello Kitty and Peppa Pig and Doraemon containers, and they're really cute. I've even got some piping bags with some slime in them. But first, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. So today we start with the piping bags. I actually quite like putting some slime in piping bags. It's quite fun, it's not that hard to do, and it gives it a really nice aesthetic look. So firstly, this is our blue piping bag. Getting it all out. And in this slime, I've just popped some fluorescent blue paint, and then to give it some nice pops, I added some foam balls, and there's a little bit of glitter in there as well for a bit of sparkle. And onto the white one. This white slime is actually a clear slime, and then I've added some white paint to it. This slime has a little bit of fluorescent colouring to it. It's quite thin, a little bit sticky. Now onto our pink. Nice, pretty baby pink colour. It's got some glitter in it and some foam balls again. Just spreading it out there so you can see what's inside. Quite nice. And our last white one. Cutting the piping bag is quite easy as well. Spread that out. You can actually see the fluorescent colouring in this one. And it's really pretty. Just get some nice bubble pops in there, and here we go, pop it in the dish. Oh, look at that cute Hello Kitty. She's so pretty. I've been meaning to do a Hello Kitty video for a long time, so I'm so glad to be bringing this to you guys. Here's some love heart shaped foam. Pink, pale pink and white. And I've got some lip gloss, 2 shades, and some pink eyeshadow. Firstly, we'll start with the lip gloss. Just dab that in onto the white so you can see the colour. And onto the second one. That one's a little paler than the first one, but still nice. And here is the pink eyeshadow. Just break that up. Really easy to break this one up. Again, pop it on the white slime so you can see the colour. Little cute Hello Kitty heart. This is some nice thick pink putty. It's got some glitter beads in there. Some more Hello Kitty hearts with lots and lots of glitter. Sprinkle those in. We've got some lip butter in these hearts. one's almost like a red. They both smell like strawberry, which is really nice. Here's the second one. It's a bit paler than the first, more pink in colour than the first one. Pop that one in as well. This will all give a nice colour to the end slime. Some cute Hello Kitty nail polish, a deep pink. That's really, really cute. Some really cute Hello Kitty heads here. And I've just got some pale pink slime in them. Just pop that in. And some more. There you go, you can see all the foam beads in there. We've got some purple and pink ones. A bit sticky. Some more Hello Kitty heads. They're so cute, I couldn't resist. Oh, look at that, some really pretty pale pink glitter slime. It's just clear slime and I added a bunch of this pretty pale pink glitter. Nice and stretchy. And a bit more. Some cute rabbit containers. This has got some clear slime with some different shades of pink beads in them. There you go, you can see the beads a little bit easier there. Really nice stretchy slime. Pop that in. Some cute pink cupcakes. And we've got lots of little pink foam balls in them. And a different shade, but also little foam balls as well. Got some in the blue. A little cute Hello Kitty purse. With some little, really cute pink beads. They almost look like diamonds from far away. These are some cute Hello Kitty lip balms. They both smell like strawberry, but both white in colour. Now we're on to the blue. These are some really, really cute Minnie Mouse containers that I picked up. And in this one, I've got some blue glitter. And in the other one, I've got some more blue glitter, but a slightly darker colour. Pop that one in. Some little foam balls. And some more little foam balls in some square Minnie Mouse containers. They're really cute as well. I've got some nice little duck containers here. Some white slime in this one. And some clear blue slime in the other one. mix the two together. That's really nice. It's like a marble effect. We've got some blue scatters here. It's almost like a metallic paper. All different shades of blue, really pretty. Give the slime some nice sparkle. Got some nice blue, pale blue hearts with some floam in them. I had little cuttings of Peppa Pig on these just to go with the theme. Pop that in. And now it's time to mix. So just patting them down and then folding the slime onto itself to try to keep all the ingredients in the slime so we don't get too much fallout. There's the white slime there. Glitter. Lots and lots of foam beads. Now let's get mixing. It's already a very pretty pink. And let's see how it ends up. Try to get some nice bubble pops through that. Oh, some dark pink there. That pink is getting really nice and pearly. You can see the little pink and purple foam balls in there. Nice and clear. Mix it through. Now it's time for the blue slime. Let's pat it down again. Lots of glitter in this one, so you want to fold the slime over and onto itself just to keep it all together. Trying to get less fallout because this one also has a lot of foam balls. Nicely done. There we go. Really pretty blue glitter in this one. Oh, a little bubble. You see lots of glitter through the slime there. Just spreading it out to show you all the foam balls in the slime. Now it's time to mix the two together. On the right I've got the blue and on the left I've got some pink. Let's mix it and see what colour we end up with in the end. Oh gosh, I get so addicted to the sound of these bubble pops. So nice to listen to. Getting it ready for a nice swirl. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Mixing it through again. Such a beautiful blend of colours. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.